settles slowly on the city. Rain draws lines on the glass. People are closing their stories, hoping the day will pass. Somewhere a window is glowing. Someone is waiting alone. Life is 1,000 small journeys, none of them fully known. You told me once in October, love isn't trying to stay. Love is a moment of breathing before it drifts away. Still, when the rain starts falling, something inside me believes somewhere the world is still holding the love we quietly leave. When the rain listens to the night and every street is calm, I hear the life we left behind still living in your arms. Nothing is lost completely, nothing just disappears. Love leaves its quiet footprints walking through all these years. Maybe we meet again someday, older and softer in tone, laughing about our illusions and roads we walked alone. Maybe the rain will remember every word we forgot. Maybe the sky will forgive us for every love we lost. When the rain listens to the night and silence fills the air, I feel the warmth of your hand still somehow resting there. Life keeps turning the pages, time writes its gentle art, but rain still knows all the places you left inside my heart. Nothing was meant to be perfect, nothing was meant to remain. Still, every love that we carry returns again in the rain. When the rain listens to the night and all the lights grow dim, I know the world keeps moving, but part of me stays with him. Life is a quiet river, love is a passing flame, still in the sound of rainfall. I softly say your name. slow like an old photograph. People are passing the cafe, running through moments too fast. You sit across from the silence, stirring your coffee in time. Life is a question of patience, more than a reason or rhyme. Love never comes like a thunder, it enters quiet and small. Sometimes it's only a presence leaning against the wall. Maybe it's there in the laughter, maybe it's lost in the rain. Maybe we only discover love after living the pain. So let the rain fall slowly, fill up a cup of the sky. We drink a little tomorrow, one gentle moment at a time. Life isn't waiting for glory, life isn't trying to shine. Sometimes the rain tells a story better than words ever find. You look outside through the gray light, something inside you is calm. Even the noise of the traffic feels like a distant song. All of the dreams you were chasing rest for a while in the rain. Life doesn't ask to be perfect, only to live it again. So let the rain fall slowly, soft on the roof of the day. Somewhere love is beginning, quietly finding a way. Nothing is loud or forever, nothing is frozen in time. Still in the rain we discover pieces of life that are mine. Years will pass like the weather, warm days and nights turning cold. But every rain has a memory, every drop something told. Maybe the love that we waited is just this breath in the air. Two lonely people discovering someone is finally there. Let the rain fall slowly, fill up the corners of time. We drink a little tomorrow, one fragile second at a time. Life isn't asking for answers, life only asks that we try. And in the quiet of rainfall, we learn how not to say goodbye. appears without a warning, soft on the roofs of the town. Streetlights trembling in the puddles, everything's slowing down. I hear your voice in the silence, somewhere between every drop. Love isn't loud like the movies, sometimes it barely talks. We walk those quiet September streets, neither of us trying to win. Life was a long unanswered question, still we were breathing it in. You held my hand without meaning, like it was something you knew. Somehow the rain felt familiar, standing beside you. Maybe love isn't thunder, maybe it's only this. The rain between our words tonight, soft as a memory. Nothing we say has to be right, just stay here next to me. The world keeps running somewhere far through every restless dream, but all I need is where we are, in the rain between. Years will arrive like the winter, quietly covering tracks. Life leaves 1,000 small echoes, some of them never come back. Still in the sound of the rainfall, I hear the life that we knew. Love isn't loud or forever, but sometimes it's true. The rain between our words tonight, soft as a melody. Nothing we say has to be right, just breathe here next to me. The city fades into the dark like waves into the sea, but all I need is where you are, in the rain with me. Maybe tomorrow we'll scatter everything we believe. Maybe the sky will grow wider, maybe you'll have to leave. Still for this moment I'm certain nothing is missing here. The rain keeps falling around us, and somehow we're clear. The rain between our words tonight, soft as eternity. Nothing we say has to be right, just stay here quietly. The world can turn another page somewhere we cannot see, but love was real for one small age, in the rain with me.